Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the charging animation on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now, if you want to set a charging animation on the lock screen of your Samsung phone, first of all, just open Settings, then tap on Modes and Routines. At the bottom of the screen, just select Routines, then tap on the plus icon over here. Under If, just tap on the plus icon and select Charging Status. From this pop-up menu, just make sure you select Charging and tap on Done. After that, under Then, just tap on the plus icon. And from here, just tap on Wallpaper. Select Change Lock Screen Wallpaper and tap on Gallery. Now from here, just select any animation or a GIF you have on your phone to set it as your charging animation. But if you do not have an animation installed on your phone, you can download one from any website online. For now, I will select this animation and select Done. Now from here, just tap on Save. And from here, you can change the name of your routine. By default, it is on charging. And from here, you can select an icon and a color for your routine. And after you do that, then tap on Done. As you can see, we have successfully created a routine for our charging animation. Now, if I go to the lock screen, and if I start charging my Samsung phone, the charging animation will show on the lock screen, just like that. And this is how you can change the charging animation on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.